It's just on midnight, and I've just switched on. You can hear in the background the dehumidifier, and here is the results of what the air is reading at this present time. You can see on the left-hand side one, there is 2 green lights and one red light. The red light is the total organic compounds, which is above 0.5, so that is red. The other 2 at the top is the total formaldehyde, and that is 0.003 on the left hand side. On the right hand side one is 0.04, so there is a difference between them, but it is very small compared to the large quantities, which is healthy or unhealthy. Healthy for formaldehyde is above 0.1, and here is 0.02, 0.04. It is a very big difference before it becomes unhealthy there. But it does, if we breathe on it, if I were to breathe on it now, it would become unhealthy. The next thing on the left-hand side that's unhealthy is total TVOC, total volatile organic compounds, and that is raised, and that includes the formaldehyde as well as other compounds which are present there. Below that we come to the PM 2.5, which is that reading there, which is flashing. That is normal, healthy, and we get that here. It is 11.6, but that's because I'm closer to it and I'm breathing on it, I believe. But it is still good. As you can see, it's going down now as it's just been switched on. You can also read the PM10 on this one, and on this one there it is 18, and the total number of particles is 21,059. And both of those are in the range which is not showing as unhealthy here. And if we go up to the air quality index, it's 45, which is still good, showing that all these things which we've shown on here are good so far. So in the middle of the night, there's just one thing here, which is total volatile organic compounds, which is abnormal. I hope to show you in the morning that these have all returned to normal levels. The 0.6 for the TVOC, 0.682 should be down to less than 0.5 when it would go green as well. But I hopefully will show you that it has gone right down. Of those, as we see, if we look at here, the solution, well, here we've got aqueous and organic solutions, and interface between the two, where things like these total, which are both, would be at the interface, and virus particles I would expect to find there. But if there is only monophasic, then you've still got air above it, so that above the air would be where it would be if the viruses, which have both hydrophilic and hydrophobic components to them, would form. Thank you very much. I'll continue this video in the morning, and we'll go through more details of the levels. As you can see up here, it indicates that it shows that in the UK homes, the indoor pollution, nearly half of UK homes are affected, and with raised total volatile organic compounds, and 13% of UK homes are affected with formaldehyde levels which are too high. They will all be reduced down here to normal levels, healthy levels by the morning, and they will also be this is more than 2 meters away from where I'm sleeping, and when I wake up in the morning I will have had air which will not have anything unhealthy about it wafting over my face and carting away any particles which could be possibly virus. I've not yet been sterilizing using UVC light on the dehumidifier, but if there was any danger in the home, I would be doing that as well. There's no need to expose myself to the harmful effects of UVC, but those can be prevented by shielding around the water container, which would have the UV bulb in it. Thank you. I'll continue in the morning. Bye.